Hello and welcome. In this video we're working on the Mark I Golf. So in this video we're working on the wipers and this little thing. And what it does is it squirts the water onto the windscreen and currently it's not working. So trying to figure out what it is. Obviously I've done a bit of testing beforehand. So they're the wipers obviously. This should be squirting on it. If you follow it down, it goes all the way down into this reservoir just here. So I'm going to turn on the water squirters now and see if they actually squirt out water. No, it's actually a load of water coming out there. So now I've removed the water squirter. I'm going to just let it just return back to tank. And I don't know whether it's the pump or this that's actually not working. So a little bit of water did come out of this, so maybe this is working and there's just not enough pressure coming out of the pump to make this squirt. So I'm going to turn on the water squirters and see what happens. Okay, so the problem is not much water came out of that pump, but that's mostly because I spilt most of it on the ground before trying to make the damn video. But it does actually work. But it does actually come out, it comes out at quite a good pressure. So I believe that this is the problem and it's blocked somewhere. So it's a limestone region. There is a lot of lime actually in the water and we have our own private well. So there is lime in that water. Probably should have used rainwater as it'd be the closest thing to deionized water just for the windscreen to keep these little guys clean. But obviously was on a rush, filled it with just some cheap water, just threw it in, just quick and handy, let's go. And yeah, so this is the problem at the moment. So here's my solution. So since lime is on one side of the spectrum, water is exactly in the middle at 7, I need to go to the opposite side of the spectrum, so I'm going to use some vinegar and hopefully that'll break down the lime that's in this. So the vinegar is acidic and this is base. Okay, drop that in there, throw a splash of vinegar on it, swirl it around and see that. See a bit better there. Doesn't take a whole lot, just as long as it's kept down into the vinegar. Okay, and I'll leave that for a few minutes just to work its magic. Okay, brilliant. So it's been in there for a while now. Pull it out, and yep, if we can get that to focus. There we go. Both of them look fairly clean. So what I've been doing is getting a piece of wire and just slowly moving it in and out, cleaning up whatever dirt was inside each of the two holes. And with the solution, because it's vinegar and it's breaking down the lime, it's coming out a bit like old cheese. So it's all clean now, and I've removed all the lime, because the lime gets soft. It gets very soft when the lime or the vinegar gets into the lime. Anyway, that's all clean now, and I'm going to give it a quick blast with an air gun, get it all nice and clean, and install it back into the car. Okay, now time to test to see if it works. Okay, now time to test it working on the car. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Alright guys, so probably not the most interesting video I've ever made, but it's fixed, they're working again, which I'm delighted with. As always, thanks for watching, see you next time.